Today we have a lot of work to do. We need to wrap up some projects, get some things started. I'm going to start here with this planter. I need to get it leveled up. It was not very level, and I need to I didn't have enough dirt to fill in the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I also need to plant some zinnias. Now, last year I planted zinnias all in the front of my garden. They were too tall. So this year I don't really have space for them. I don't have a cut flower garden yet. So I'm just going to try to plant the zinnias in these pots and see what happens. I saw it on a YouTube video and I thought, that's super cute. So I'm going to give it a try. I don't know how it's going to turn out. There might not be enough space. Zinnias get pretty big. Somebody gave me this cute variety and I thought, you know, I want to try it. Here it is. It's just like a different variety of colors. Last year I think I did the Queenie Lime, but this is a variety. So I'm kind of excited. At first I wanted very specific colors, but now I like all the colors. I use a lot of colors. I haven't used much red, but I think that's coming. Because each of these flower beds, especially that front flower bed I showed you in the tour yesterday, each year I'm going to do that in different colors. Now I'm going to get these Supertunia Bordeaux's planted. These are probably my favorite plants. Last year I planted them in other areas in the ground and they didn't do very well, but I think it comes back to my ant problem. I'm hoping this section, I have not seen any ants on this side as much, so I'm thinking they will do better over here. Only time will tell. My dirt is a little dry, so I kind of have to break it up to get it to plant in there. I plant this with all of the new plants I plant in my planters in the ground. It's just kind of like a little extra start for them.